Hey guys, J.R. Fisher here. I'm in the middle of doing some filming. You can see Jessica back down there. She's doing some work, she's waving to you. And you know, she just told me something that I thought was really amazing. Let me get the light right. How about that? You can see me there, right? Cool. I'm all dressed up now. Not really. If you look down here, I've got gym shorts on, but they don't see that when I'm filming these videos, so it doesn't matter, right? It looks like it's all professional. But anyhow, I was just talking to her. It was the funniest thing. She was telling me that, and I'll make the story shorter than what she told me. But she told me that she's in contact with a lady who does a lot of blogging in the niche she's in, which is dog training and dog rescue and all that. And the lady had had some problems with trolls online, which I do too. People post crazy things, you know, you just block them, you get rid of them. But, you know, she asked that some of the participants who read her blog, which is a huge blog, very, very popular, would shoot a 15-second video of how they handle trolls and on their blogs. And, you know, those people that are just so irritating. I don't know, they're so irritating. So my wife did it. She did a 15-minute little video, and she thought, well, heck, why not? If she's going to post some of these videos and get a little bit of exposure, I'll do it. And the lady contacted her, actually sent her a direct message and said, you know what? You're the only one that sent me a video. You're the only one. Nobody did it. I thought, holy crap, what an opportunity, right? A lady who has this blog is going to maybe post a video of something you did on her blog. It's going to get you a lot of exposure, and nobody did it but my wife. So guess what happened? It gets even better than that. In addition to that, now that she's done it, the lady says, hey, can I do an interview with you online? Oh my God. She gets free exposure and like free advertising because she put forth a little bit of effort. It took her 15 seconds though. I'm not saying this is easy. I mean, she had to invest 15 seconds of her time. Pretty tough, huh? So here's the moral of the story, guys. If you're not putting forth the effort, if you're not getting yourself, I mean, 99% of this stuff, seriously, 99% of this success thing is you doing something. You've got to do something. Right now, I had to get up early. My wife had to get up early. She's over there working. See, she's still working while I'm doing this, okay? We both had to get up early, had to lug all this camera equipment to the office and all these lights. You can see all these lights here, and believe me, it takes time to set all this stuff up. Doesn't look like a lot, but it's a lot. We had to bring all this stuff in here. I had to get here early, had to set up all this stuff. And then it doesn't always go smooth, right? And this is what trips a lot of people up is they start to do something. They expect everything to go smooth and it doesn't go smooth and they quit. You can't quit. We got here and the one SD card I had was used up. That's right, it was used up, couldn't use it. So I said, well, I'll just download some stuff onto my, Dropbox and clear it up and we'll be able to use it. Well, guess what? It said it would take 2 hours for it to do that. So we couldn't wait 2 hours. So I had to leave here, get my clothes back on, go over to Best Buy, get me a card, come back over here and start filming again. Long story short is I had to put forth effort. And that's exactly what you have to do, guys. You've got to put forth effort. If you don't put forth effort, you are not going to succeed. And all this effort that you put forth, 80% of it's things are going to go wrong or it's not going to work and it's going to be frustrating. But that's just the way it is because you're shooting for this 20% that does work out. So my message right now, and I'm in the middle of filming right now, but she's doing something, so I thought I'd take a break and talk to you. My message right now is put forth that little extra effort. You know, if you think you should do something and you decide to put it off, don't. Stop right there. Anytime you think you should do something, just go ahead and I'm trying to get that glare off my glasses. That's better, right? Okay. Anytime you think you should do something, you feel like you should do something, frigging do it. There he goes. Get the camera right. Just do it. If you do it, you're going to get some results. They could be good, they could be bad, but you'll get results. And if you do it enough, you will get enough good results to where it's going to pay off. So that's my message to you. Hey, my little shameless plug, not useless. It's very useful. My shameless plug at the end of this video is to go grab my book, do something. If you feel like you should do it, go grab it. It's at jrfisherbook.com. I put it in the comments there. If you're watching this video, I would really appreciate your comments. It makes the video go a little bit more viral. More people will see it. I also would super appreciate, do this for me. Tell yourself you're going to do this for me. Here's what you need to do. Share this video on your timeline. Your friends and family will think you're cool. They'll say, hey, look, they shared this really positive video with me. They're a positive person. We like them. And that's the real reason you share stuff anyhow, so people can see what you're all about, okay? Go do it. Share. Share this video, like it, comment below. Doesn't matter if it's live or recorded, I'll still reply to you. Go grab my book, jrfisherbook.com, and I will talk to you real soon. Thanks for listening.